Okay guys, I want to show you some military style floor work that you can incorporate in your dancing. Let me show you how this looks. So this crawl that we're going to show you is basically just like a normal military style crawl. You want to start with one knee up like this, and the other foot is going to be fully extended all the way back. And from here, we're going to have the opposite arm to the knee, okay? So if your right knee is up, that means your left elbow is up here, okay? But from here, what we want to do is we want to lift up our bum like this and our fist at the same time. Now from here, we're going to punch the ground with our fist and also thrust the ground with our hips at the same time, okay? So it's going to go 1, 2, then we swap over, 3, 4, one more, swap over, 5, 6,